there's two levels of compliance and enforcement. One is just your basic annual inspections. With newly set up firms under the SFC, tending to get some kind of an audit, regulatory audit, quite often within the first 6 months to a year of their having been set up. This involves things like coming to check that your telephone systems are compliant, are recording as they should be recording, that your records are being kept where they should be kept, you've not breached any of the outsourcing or sort of privacy requirements for client records and things like that. Not a lot of new institutions get licensed by the MA, but both the Hong Kong MA and the SFC do have the power to do annual audits, and actually with both regulators, certainly, there are requirements to make regular filings anyway. So your filings would tend to indicate in terms of financial resources, changes of your key personnel, whether there's any potential regulatory breaches that they should be, or regulatory concerns that they should be taking a closer look at, and you may get a call as a result of that. So those are more compliance related. The investigations tend to come in or where there's been a particularly unusual breach. For example, there's been some sort of trading by one of your traders that breaches the SFC regulations, front running, or a breach of inside dealing rules, for example. That's very severe, and then you tend to get a initial investigation, certainly with the SFC and also with the HKMA, and they're very broad powers. HKMA also has a power to investigate on behalf of the financial secretary. Then to get a call to get a bit more information, and the thing to do if you get a call or letter is clients usually react with panic, as they should to some extent, but you should call your lawyer, because the response, a lot of clients have the tendency to say, I want to be helpful. I want to, be a good corporate citizen or good participant in the financial markets. I want to respond to them so that they don't punish me as much. Yes, you need to be cooperative because there are sanctions for non-cooperation. You are required to cooperate with these investigations, but you need to cooperate in a way that also protects your own interests without compromising yourself. So do get in touch with your lawyer and make sure that you respond appropriately without compromising yourself.